Hey Huskies, I'm Javante and you're watching Socially Distant Social Board.
I'm Casey and we're here once again to give you your brief news and announcements.
At the end, maybe we'll be okay. I know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home.
Huskies need money for college? There are a variety of scholarship opportunities listed on the Scholarship Opportunities tab of the Career Center webpage. The deadline to apply is noon on April 29th. The application and more assistance, or visit the Career Center webpage for more information.
If you want to take ROP classes in the summer or fall, contact the Career Center to sign up. ROP offers classes in criminal justice, law enforcement, firefighting, computer games, and simulations, and many more. There are also several classes related in working in the health field, such as registered dental assistant, pharmacy clerk, and medical.
And for the entrepreneurs out there is going to be a business and finance class and a business management class on our campus in fall. These are great opportunities for you to gain experience in these various fields. Do not wait, classes fill up quickly.
Seniors, if you want to attend community college and need help with the application process, stop by the Career Center for assistance or visit the Career Center webpage for information.
If you're interested in joining the military or would like more information on what a military career can offer, visit the Career Center website or contact Ms. Weber for recruiter and ASABB information.
Alright, now let's head into our weekly update on what's going on around the web.
What's up, Huskies? Welcome back to another What's Trending. Nintendo brought you Tetris 99, and now they're bringing you Pac-Man 99, which is the same premise where basically it's a battle royale game, but instead it has a Pac-Man twist instead of a Tetris twist. It's out now for any Nintendo Online users for free. Warner Brothers recently brought a new trailer for the movie Space Jam. It's going to be a remake / reboot, which instead of starring Michael Jordan, it's going to star LeBron James. So go ahead and check out the trailer on YouTube right now. GTA 5 is coming out to mobile, but there's a slight twist to that. It's going to be coming through xCloud, which won't be available for any iOS devices, but it will be available for any of the Android users who are interested in that. And that was What's Trending, Huskies. Thank you for watching.
Now that is spring. We will probably be spending a lot of time outdoors. So let's head into our gardening section.
Turn on the weed whacker. Mow the lawn. These neighbors are killing me. Get the leaf blower. These neighbors won't leave me alone.
Even if you don't have a lawn to mow, you can still always grow plenty of succulents and plants indoors.
Yes, of course, fresher air and pretty greenery.
Alright Huskies, that wraps up today's episode. Quick reminder to make sure you subscribe down below and turn on your notification bell for more weekly videos. Most importantly, make sure to be safe, respectful, and responsible.
And as always, Huskies, stay #HuskyStrong.